Good. Alright, so we're repairing the shingle right here. So we need to figure out where the shingle starts and stops. So it goes this way to here. Alright, so we gotta take everything off here. 1, 2, 3. Here, straight up is the nails that's holding the shingle in place. So let's break the seal of the shingles above so we can pull this one out. This one's good. So good on that. I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna use this one. It's already broken. Good, good. And if you want to come close, you can see the matting transfer. It took off a bunch of material off of this, and it's on the top of this one now. If you want to go underneath and take a look underneath. Don't lift it too much. There you go, right there, the material transfer. All right, now let's go ahead and pull this shingle off. We need to find where the nails are at. One's right here. Got that one. Put it in there. Another one here. Got to take this one off. And this should slide out. There we go. There's the damaged shingle. You want to record that? Thank you. Now let's take the new shingle. And now we know that the shingle is discontinued, and this is the only other really 3-tab shingle we've got to throw in here. And look at that, even I haven't even shingled. If you want to come closer, you can already see some of these granules just coming off. Look. You can already see a lot of the granules coming off, but still need to nail it in. We're gonna do this 3 different ways. We're gonna hand nail it, we're gonna nail it with a snake tool, and we're gonna nail it with our hands, or the power tool. So for this one, there's just no way. I gotta lift this up a little bit more. There you go, 1. This one I'm gonna use the snake tool because I already see the damage that's already being done to it. Okay, good. last one. This one I'm going to use the snake tool as well, because we didn't fully break the seal all the way through. Good. And for the last bit, use the power tool. All right. So, at the end of the day, we hammered this one in, hand nail. We used the snake tool for this one, snake tool for this one, snake tool for this one, and then the whole top row we used the Milwaukee nailer. So in the process of repairing one shingle, let's lightly do this. That's one damaged shingle. One. This one's okay. That one's okay. This one is damaged here. You can see the line. This one's okay. This one's damaged. And this one, 100% you can see the line of how the shingle is going to flop. So 1, 2, 3. In the process of repairing one shingle, we caused damage to 3 of them. And actually this one too, 4. So I'm going to do D equals 4. Meaning that this shingle is not repairable. So in the process of repairing one, I caused damage to 4. You can't do the repair on this without causing damage to the rest of it. That should be it. Let me continue to record from my view.